Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. I'm Amelia and we are making one of our fall favorite dishes today, a savory dish. It is a sweet potato and sage cornbread muffin, and here's how you do it. Come on. Okay, and we're gonna start by mixing all of our wet ingredients into this bowl here. So I have half a cup of cooked and smashed sweet potatoes. I just boiled them and smashed them. 1.5 cups of milk. You can use a milk substitute. So since this is going to be a vegan gluten-free dish that I'm making, I'm just using pea protein milk, but you can use whatever milk you like. 1.5 cups. We're going to put some oil in. This is a flax egg, 2 flax eggs, 2 regular eggs if you're just making this regular. This is 3 tablespoons of honey. If you want to make it purely vegan, you can substitute out for maple syrup. I just like the taste of the honey with, it's a classic pairing, cornbread and honey. And some apple cider vinegar. That's gonna give us some lift for our gluten-free life that we're living. And then the last thing that I wanna add to this wet ingredients is going to be Amoretti's sage extract. Now, our extracts, especially our herbal extracts, they're gonna be very potent. You're gonna get a lot of bang for your buck. So you really wanna be careful with how much you use in your recipe. I'm gonna use 1/8 of a teaspoon. And we're gonna mix this up and get together our dry ingredients. So I have 1.5 cups of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of gluten-free flour, some baking powder, baking soda, salt, fresh thyme. We're gonna mix that up, and then we'll slowly incorporate this into our wet ingredients. Okay, let's get these wet ingredients well incorporated. All right, and we're gonna slowly add our dry into the wet. All right, and this is going to look like a wet batter. That's okay, it will turn out perfect, I promise. The last thing that we're gonna wanna add is our 1/2 cup to a cup, depending on how cheesy you like it. This is probably 3/4 cup of vegan cheese that I'm adding. And that cheese is really going to complement all of the great herby and savory flavors inside of this. So that sage is really going to play well with the cheese as well as our thyme. So this batter's ready. We are gonna scoop it into our cupcake mold and we're ready to go. Our muffin tin is ready. They are filled. We are going to pop this into a 400-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. And just keep an eye on them. When you feel they're ready, around that 20-minute mark, you can insert a toothpick or knife, see that it pulls out clean, and they're ready to go. So let's go and put them in the oven. So we've just pulled these beautiful muffins out of the oven. They have nice crisp tops on them. And so we're going to just dive right in. I'm very excited. And I've also just kind of put together a little bit of vegan butter with a touch of honey, a little bit of thyme, and some salt. So that's how I will be enjoying it, because I think that's how cornbread is supposed to be enjoyed. So as you can see, it's a really great consistency. You can smell the sage. As I said, again, those extracts are very strong and it just smells wonderful. It smells like Thanksgiving. Let's give this a try. It's very good. And I love it. And the sage really shows up, but it's not too impactful and in your face. So I hope you guys get to try this and bring it to your next holiday. for any of your vegan or gluten-free friends and really impress them with some of the flavors that you get to work with. If you've liked this video, please hit the like button and follow us. You can subscribe to get all of our videos first. You can also follow us at Amoretti on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.